So tonight we're gonna go to Lucky, get some meat, maybe beef and pork, okay, and maybe chicken. I don't know, beef and pork. I'm gonna have a beef soup and adobo. I think that's a good idea. I'm wearing my Armani shades and my Bono leather jacket. I got a whole jackfruit. Good. So we're gonna be cooking chicken. Chicken adobo. And some goat. So oh, yeah, 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 tatlo. Oh, yeah, malaki pala. Ayan, yun. Yeah. Yeah, they're all the same. That too much fat. What about this one? Two. No, this one. This one. Yeah, that one. And the other one. Two. Yeah. Yeah, like 2x2. 2x2. Yeah. We're having it cut into pieces.
Hello.
So they have goat here. $20, $20, $20. $23. Okay, I think we have enough. We just have to cook it now. It's a good shop to meet for shopping meat. It's a good meat shop, folks. It's called Lucky meat shop. I mean Lucky grocery. Yeah, nice, really good price. So this is goat meat. I'm gonna try to render the fat. So to kill the odor of the meat, goat meat, it's gonna render the fat. That's it. Keep rendering it till it's semi-cooked. This is your chef tonight, cooking goat meat. Oh. Door 6. Door 6. Okay, we're in door 6. So I need to get some coffee. There's no coffee there. I need to go further. Nice art. So we're just waiting for Raymond here to show up. Yeah. Carousel 9. So we're cooking today. We're cooking, this is goat meat on tomato sauce. We call this caldereta. And this one here is chicken curry. I'm gonna put some curry powder here. If I can find it. Oh, turmeric. I can put some turmeric. Good. A little bit of cinnamon, ground cinnamon. Oops, too much. A little bit of this, little bit of this. Anyway, nice. Chicken curry. Let me put some pepper. Put some pepper. little bit of a little bit of love. Nice, folks. That's it. It's good. So this is the goat meat caldereta. We're gonna cook it for 3 hours. Need to put salt. I'm putting some salt. Wasn't salty enough. A little bit of sugar. And oh yeah, a touch of nor, just to add some flavor. It's really good. I tasted it. It's really good. I think we need to end this video. Oh wait. Here's the curry. So that's the chicken curry. We need to add some coconut milk. So we have coconut milk here, fresh coconut milk. So I'm gonna add it. This is freshly frozen coconut milk. Just dump it like that and let it dissolve, and that's it, folks. We'll come back later. So I added some carrots, celery, and potatoes, so we have something vegetarian. Looks good so far, and we'll see the taste. Oh, amazing. Tastes really good. little bit of a nor, just to pop up the flavor a little bit, accentuate the flavor. So far it tastes really good. I think it's a success. And this one here, this is the goat meat cooked in tomato. We call this caldereta. You're gonna cook it for 3 hours so that it's gonna be tender. I already cooked it last night in the air fryer. So I air fried it, and so we render the fat. So this is no fat, no more fat on this. It's really good. You taste it. Mmm. 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 Delicious. Mmm. Really good.